Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a hijab haul for you guys from Culture Hijab. So I love Culture Hijab so much, you guys. They are one of my favorite hijab brands out there, and I'm really excited to be sharing 6 new hijabs with you guys that I got, and they're all in the modal style because that is the style that I have been loving recently. So I grabbed 6 new hijabs. If you guys are interested in knowing what colors I grabbed, and if you're interested in seeing me try them on and give you my honest thoughts, then make sure to keep on watching. So before I go ahead and start trying on all the hijabs, I want to give you guys a quick blurb on the modal style because honestly, that is my current favorite hijab style. I have been loving their modals. I just love the fabric and I just love how it frames my face. The one thing that I love about this fabric is that it holds its shape. So I love a point, as you guys know, you always see it in my videos, and this fabric really does hold the point in place. I've had some fabrics that throughout the day it will kind of flatten out, and I don't like that because I like having the point to help shape my face. That's why I love the modal, and also it is very, very comfortable, and I feel like it also looks very elegant and luxurious because of the shine that it has. So that is why I've just been obsessing over this style, and I grabbed 6 new hijabs that I'll be sharing. So right here, I'll just quickly go ahead and read the little blurb that's on Culture Hijab just so you guys know more about this fabric. So it says that our all-new premium modal scarves provide the desired opacity and touchable softness we're always looking for, which I can vouch for. It's very soft. Each piece features a regal and durable woven knit, layering beautifully over casual wear and formal attire alike. Wrap yourself up in this unsurpassably comfortable and airy scarf and experience instant luxury and allure like never before. That is so true, you guys. I feel like I can get away with these hijabs with fancy outfits like desi outfits, gowns, but I can also wear them for more regular everyday outfits to work or going out with friends, whatever it is. So they're very versatile, and that is why I love them. So this is the first hijab color, you guys. This is in the shade Mink. I'll definitely have the names of the shades on the screen for you and also down below in the description in order with the links if you guys want to check out these scarves for yourself. But I absolutely love this color. Such a gorgeous neutral. Definitely going to be gravitating towards this all the time. It's great to pair with desi clothes, but also kind of more neutral everyday outfits. So I definitely love this. And again, you can see that gorgeous shine that's on the hijab. It looks very, very luxurious, and I'm just obsessed. So I also do want to mention that I won't be styling my hijab in this video because if I style 6 hijabs, this is going to be a huge video. So I'm going to already have my hijab styled just to show you guys the colors and how it looks against my skin for your reference. But if you want to know how to style your hijab like this, I will leave a bunch of tutorials down below in the description that pretty much I've already filmed, and it's the exact same style that I'm wearing here today. So if you guys want to check that out as well, if you need kind of guidance on how to style these hijabs, definitely check out my hijab styling videos for your reference. So this is Chanterelle, you guys. I'm obsessed with this color. It is so beautiful. It's like that perfect taupe color. It's more on the lighter side. I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm excited to create like a lip color to match this hijab because you already know I love doing that. It's such a vibe. So again, I love this material. As you guys can see, it's really framing my face nicely. It's holding the point in place that I love to create, and there's really nice volume. So I do want to also mention that all the hijabs are actually 100% rayon material, so that's really great. And they are rectangular hijabs, and the sizing is 70 inches by 28 inches. So I didn't mention that earlier, so I'm mentioning that now just so you guys are aware of the sizing and the texture. And again, you can see that there's like that gorgeous shine on this one too. They're all the exact same hijab, they're just different colors that I'm showing you guys today. But I do want to like point your attention to this one as well. It looks super elegant, super classy. I'm just in love with the shade. It's so gorgeous. So this is the next shade. This is in the shade Dahlia. I am obsessed. This is like a perfect neutral brown, muted brown shade. I love it. It's a great neutral to have in your collection. Definitely going to be gravitating towards this every day. And again, you can see that there's like that gorgeous shine to this hijab. It's giving me nice structure and volume for my face. I love it so much. And I'm also just loving the vibe with my brown makeup and how it's just matching really nicely with my hijab. So I definitely know that this is going to be like a staple for every day, because this is kind of like my everyday makeup that I typically do, whether I'm going out, running errands, groceries, seeing friends, going to work, whatever it is. So yeah, I just absolutely love this color. This is the next hijab. All right, so this is the next color. This is Almond Dine, and I think it's so beautiful. It's like this gorgeous, bright, peachy, kind of warm toned hijab. This is going to be so perfect with desi attire. That's mainly why I picked this out, because I feel like I have a lot of desi clothes that are going to pair really nicely with this hijab. I feel like it's also a great pop of color. It's great for the summer because of the bright tones. So yeah, I'm just obsessed, and I just love how rich the color is. I love how it looks against my skin tone. I think this is going to look lovely on everyone, all types of skin tones. So yeah, I'm just obsessed. What a beautiful color. So this is the next shade. This is Bronze, and I absolutely love this. This is kind of similar to the shade that I just showed you guys, but it's definitely more toned down, more neutral, and I absolutely love this. I grabbed this shade because I felt like it would look great with desi clothes, and it definitely will, especially being called Bronze. I just figured it would look great, and I'm obsessed. I feel like also this is a perfect like warm toned neutral shade that is going to go great with outfits other than just desi clothes. I feel like it's going to be like a great kind of staple to have in my collection for all types of occasions. So I'm definitely obsessed. This is definitely one of my favorites that I grabbed. I think it is lovely and just so beautiful. And of course, the very last hijab that I grabbed is of course a black one. You can never go wrong with black, and you can honestly never have enough black hijabs. So of course I had to grab one additional one to have in my collection. I love having a bunch of these because I love wearing black. So yeah, I realized at the very end of the video that I never told you guys the price of these hijabs. So each hijab piece is $19.95. So just wanted to mention that because I did mention it earlier. But yeah, this is the last hijab, you guys. I'm obsessed. So before I go ahead and close out the video, I just want to show you guys some comparisons, because I feel like a lot of the shades that I showed you guys, they looked very similar to one another. So I want to show you comparisons just to help you figure out which hijab you want. So to start, I have here Almond Dine as well as the shade Bronze. I feel like these looked very similar. So I want to show you guys a comparison. They are very similar, but you can see that Almond Dine is definitely more on like the peachy orange side, and it's a little bit brighter, whereas Bronze is definitely a little bit more on the muted side. It's a little toned down, more neutral, but both of them again are just so gorgeous and are gonna look so beautiful and really great for desi clothes. So just wanted to show you that comparison. So the next comparison that I want to show you guys is between Chanterelle and Dahlia. So both of these are great kind of like neutral mauve-y shades. This one is definitely more on the mauve side, more on like the purpley side. This is definitely more on like the browns and neutral side, but I want to show you guys a comparison just in case you are shopping and you're trying to figure out which shade is best for you. Hopefully this will kind of help you decide. But yeah, this is how they look against and beside one another. They're both very beautiful. I love both of them. So yeah, here is a comparison. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and I'll definitely make more. And of course, all of the products that I featured in today's video, all of the hijabs will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys have suggestions on any videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely follow up on those. And if you guys want to check out more hijab hauls or clothing hauls, I will leave a playlist up here and also down below in the description box for you guys to check out. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.